Welcome to the University of Michigan Tech Shop, your destination for all of your sales, service, and support needs since 1988. The Tech Shop is operated by the Information and Technology Services Department here on campus, so we really know technology. Come on in, I'll give you a tour. The Tech Shop is an Apple authorized campus store, which means we carry the complete line of Apple products, everything from iPad, Apple Watch, MacBook Pro, and iMac, all at not-for-profit education pricing. In addition to Apple, we carry the complete line of Lenovo, Dell, as well as every accessory or adapter you might need to connect your technology while you're here on campus. We know purchasing new technology can be very overwhelming, and you probably have a lot of questions. So that's why all of our sales consultants here at the Tech Shop are University of Michigan students, like Rahil.
So my name's Rahil, I'm a sophomore here at the University of Michigan, and as a sales consultant, our role is really to make your experience at the Tech Shop as seamless as possible. So whether that be choosing which devices to purchase or which accessories are best suited for you, we can draw on our experience as students to tailor suggestions that are relevant to your individual needs.
The Tech Shop is so much more than just sales. We also offer complimentary tech support for any technology help that you might need while you're here on campus. That can include connecting to M-Wireless, getting your Gmail to act properly, or if your computer is having a malfunction, we also can service it under your existing Apple, Dell, HP, or Lenovo warranties. Bring it into us, and if you're covered under warranty, we can service it at absolutely no charge to you. Welcome to our back room. This is where all the behind-the-scenes action takes place, where we can ship products directly to your home, where we arrange all of our campus delivery for our departmental customers, and where we keep all of our inventory so that when you come in and decide what product you want to buy, you can go home with it today. At the Tech Shop, our goal is to make technology purchases as affordable as possible. So we offer a few services you won't find anywhere else. We offer a trade-in program where you can bring us your old technology, where we can offer you a credit to apply to your new purchase right on the spot. For faculty and staff, we offer payroll deduction where you can deduct your purchases over 12 months of paychecks. And for students, you can charge anything in the store directly to your student account billing and apply financial aid to it. So come in, check us out at our North Campus location at Pierpont Commons or here at the Michigan Union. We also have 4 Tech Shop Express vending machines located all over campus to fit your needs wherever you need it.